This is my electrolysis device for creating alkaline water. Um, I've emptied out a several stage filter that changes the ions of the water as well as the alkaline state, so it helps it out a little bit. And this stuff here um, gets it down really low. If you put water through this and put it through another like filter, this one does really good, and then the other filter will do even a better job. So this is my design for a tank. Um, Pretty simple. It's just some juice bottles glued together in the middle, some fish tank epoxy, and then some silicone to hold it better. So it was leaking through these little notches. And what we have here is a platinum coated titanium plate, which has some elect- electrical residues on it and water residues. That's kind of what happens. I'm doing some tests. So I've gotten really clean alkaline water out of this. I've tested it, but I can't repeat it very well because my filters keep messing up because I don't have any money. So I don't have money to like do accurate testing. I'm not sure where, and my processes need to be refined. So I'm just trying to perfect this system so it works right, so I can just use it without having issues with my stupid self who doesn't know anything about electricity much. So I read up on it, and this is what I got for a input output stat. And it takes me about 4-6 hours to make purple water. Maybe less. I'm not sure. I was away yesterday for 6 hours and came back and it was purple. So yep. And there you go. That's all you need. Just put a tube in there. Put some sponges. Probably preferably non-dyed sponges if you can find those. But yeah, that's all you need. And cut a hole. Put a tube in there. Try to make it as water safe as possible. You should be fine. I'm not going to tell you medically anything, but there you go.